I'm an experienced player.
So the first game that we're going to play is TDM Team Deathmatch, okay? Which you have no respawn. So once you guys get hit, guess what? You know, gun goes up in the air, hit, unless you have a dead rag. If you have a dead rag, you place it on your head. Guys, if you have a dead rag, your gun doesn't have to be up in the air. Just remember, just look for the dead rag to be on somebody's body or whatever, on their head.
Or you have a red hat.
Yeah, or something like that, okay? But remember, give a person an ample enough time so they can call their hit, okay? Now, let me lay down the rules, okay? Pretty much you guys already know about the rules. Remember, goggles, face mask must be on this field at all times. 2, call your hit. Please call your hit, guys. Please, nobody likes cheaters, okay?
Watch that corner, buddy. I don't know who's over there.
I'm watching up in front. There's still those 2 little kids right up there. Right, you got the left side?
I got a grenade.
Alright, hold on a minute. I like that. You got left side? No, I got a grenade.
Hello, fellow airsofters. This is
Those dead guys
Captain
walking
Too-Tall, and the field I'm at is in Tucson, Arizona. It is Insurgent Airsoft. I want to give a big shout out to all the staff. That was very accommodating.
One of us got him.
Letting me camp out overnight so I can drive back, because I did stay for the whole day and night game, 4 p.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Alright, hold up. Go ahead. Go.
Now, this first match is just a team death match. Pretty self-explanatory. The field is very nice. Lots of cover, wide open so you can run around. Just good vibes all around. Most everybody here was pretty honorable. Now this next footage that I just cut over here is pretty interesting gameplay. Can't remember what it's called, but there's squads of 4. My squad got split up just because at the last second we found some pretty sketchy cover. As you can see, I'm behind one of those black tubing things and some hay and wood, and I'm just kind of out in the open. I'm surprised people in front of me didn't shoot me. One of my squad members is in the building to the right, so I know I'm good there. And I decided to ditch the AK and just kind of go Rambo for a second here and grenade this bunker.
Frag out!
Now, I don't know if these guys were aware of the grenade rule, but when a grenade throws into a bunker, you're dead. So I think they were just a little confused as to the rule.
Thanks for calling it, guys. Yeah.
I gave them 1 shot each as well. I later found out that there is a 15-foot minimum engagement. After the ref let me know about that, I honored it. So, my bad, but no one was butthurt over it, so, you know, no harm, no foul. We all learn from our mistakes. It's a new field. I was getting used to all the rules. Very lenient on the rules. They said if it's all experienced players, then they might exempt the 15-foot minimum engagement rule, and you're supposed to say safety, which I remember to do for this next bunker bust. I don't know why I remembered it for the second one. I think I was in the heat of the moment here. So right here I'm just looking around, seeing where all the enemies are at, and making my next move.
Safety.
those guys in the back seemed about 15 to 20 feet, so I shot them and then safety the guy right in front of me. So overall, good
The ref
game.
told me next
Right here,
time
we're
that
just
safety-
reminiscing about the game and how awesome that last gameplay was.
Yeah, that was a fun game.
Anywhere beyond that, just a shot in the chest.
Yeah, yeah.
And that was you that came across the other bunker.
Yep. Yeah, I eliminated that
I told
bunker.
the guy to, I say, look through the cracks in the woods, see if they're moving.
When he was looking, I dropped. And as soon as I saw some gun movement, that's when I started. I was slowly sneaking up like this.
I was hoping to take him out before something.
I was worried about those Polar Star guys. We were originally going to post up right there.
You got shot over there, or it wasn't that guy who shot you?
I don't know, someone.
Because he was at that metal when you guys were, when you came around.
Yeah, it must have been. Yeah, it felt like a Polar Star or something got me. But right after I got you guys, that's when I got hit through the window. So I was like, oh, I'm out. That was a good run.